Hi, this is Robert with Vending How, and today I want to talk a little bit about choosing the right snack machine for your location. There's a lot of things that come into play, not only the size of the location and the items that are going to be in it and the room you have for your machine, but one of the most important ones is actually, is it going to be profitable for you? There's a lot of machines on the market that are smaller, have very limited capacity combination machines. You need to be aware that when you look at a combination machine, there is limited capacity for you to put product in it. And there's limited selection for the customer. So how much money you can make per delivery is limited, and what they can get is limited. Neither one are good things. Sometimes you're stuck with that in a satellite area in a building or in an outbuilding to a larger location, and you have to do so. But if you can avoid using the combination machines, do try to avoid that, especially because some of them have trouble with the compressors overheating because there's just not enough room for ventilation. But let's say you have room for full-size machines and you're going to look at specifically your snack machine. Here we have a 4-wide and a 5-wide machine in our warehouse that we've purchased used, waiting for reconditioning. I mean, one of the biggest differences between them is this is going to have 25% more capacity for product and potentially for selection as well. So you can make more money on each visit to this machine. You can offer more products to your customer. So it's actually the preferred machine in almost every situation. The only reason you wouldn't want to use this machine would be if it's going to be a very small account and you don't think you're going to have the sales, so you don't want to have the variety in it because you don't think people are going to buy the product, or you have a space limitation. Other than that, the 5-wide machine is definitely going to be preferred over the 4-wide machine. So you need to look at your location, figure out what works for the customer, what works for you, make your right decision. It's that easy.